Time for mini news sesh. Yeah.
All right, guys, welcome back to Mini News. We're here with Lila. Lila, what do you have for us today?
So today we're going to be talking about Instagram releasing a new feature that's in-app posting for scheduling, which is really exciting for a lot of social media managers. I know that we're very excited for it, but it's also very exciting for business owners as well as people who are trying to grow their account, especially our interior design niche and people who really are trying to look to further their business through Instagram.
Very cool.
So the importance of scheduling content, it allows you to save time. So by kind of batching your content, being able to upload your photo with your caption, your tags, your location, whatever it is that you would originally post, and then being able to schedule it, it will save a lot of time that you think, oh, drafts, that saves time, but actually this will save a lot more time because you can pick the date, the time. It's going to be a very simple feature where it's just the date and time, and that will be how you can set a schedule for your post, just like scheduling an email to send out at a certain time or things like that.
Yeah, I can imagine that being super helpful to a lot of different people.
Yeah. So by doing that, as I mentioned, you'll have to create the post and schedule it. The only thing that I would say is that there are some better options out there for people who are looking for a little bit more in-depth on scheduling or things that have other features. So we all know that there's tons of platforms out there to help with your social media. Things like Hootsuite, HubSpot, Later, all those different features or applications are there to help you out to schedule stuff. And so the benefit of Instagram is that it's directly in app. For one, it will be great for Reels. It'll allow you to post with the audio that you want, which you can't do on any other platform, including the Meta Business Suite. So this will save a lot of time with the Reels. People won't have to go through, third-party applications and things like that. But the only thing I would say is that it doesn't give you all of those extra features and benefits that other applications would, such as like competitor reports and hashtag analysis. It's not going to give you best posting time, which is a little bit surprising. You would have to kind of dive in on that on your own. I think probably Instagram one day will create a feature that says, here's the best time you should post, and you can schedule it at this time if you'd like. But for now, it's just going to be very straightforward. We do offer some other good options for people who want a little bit more of those different benefits that I mentioned before. So Later, as I mentioned, that allows you to hold one account. So if you just have an Instagram account, this is great for you. You can grab competitor reports, hashtag analysis, best posting times, things like that. However, if you have multiple accounts such as Facebook and Instagram that you want to be posting to, Meta Business Suite has content approval for Facebook and Instagram, which is great. And then it allows you to post from both of those, have all of those features as well, which is great. Again, for either of those, it's not going to allow you to add sound to your reels yet. You're still going to have to post those manually, but hopefully soon Instagram will allow us to do that. Also, one thing that I thought of was Instagram is probably not going to let everybody who's logged into the same account be able to see everything that's scheduled. I think that just like drafts, it's going to be a phone to phone kind of situation. So for people that are looking for like having someone, needing someone to approve the content and things like that, this isn't going to be the best solution, but right now it's a start in the right direction.
Yeah, it's exactly that. It's something, and maybe kind of as it progresses and as they kind of get done with the launch, things like that, they'll start adding some of those features you were mentioning before.
Scheduling, it's something that takes up a lot of time. It's not, as easy as just putting a post together and things like that. But that is what we are here for at Wingnut.
Exactly. Yeah.
So if anybody, interior designers and people like that, are looking for somebody who can take that time off their hands, can dive into those analysis of your accounts and kind of see what your competitors are and who your target audience should be and things like that. That is what Wingnut is here for, because we are professionals. So we are here to help you out in any way that we can. But always check out Wingnut Social's Instagram for more Instagram tips, marketing tips on how to further your business.
All right. Thank you so much, Lila. We appreciate that. And we will catch you guys next time on the next episode of Mini News. See ya.
Mini News Sesh. Yeah.
Is your interior design firm just so busy that you don't have any time to post on your own social media accounts? Are you at a loss with what to post? Do you have zero strategy? Well, then you need to give us a call at 786-206-4331 or wingnutsocial.com.